Hello and welcome to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to import large SQL file into phpmyadmin database. If you using import function as like this is my local host and here has import button, does not supported max 40 MB by this option, but I have a largest file as like my SQL file almost 118 MB. However, this may longer 1 GB, 2 GB or more. So how to import database into phpmyadmin? So need to create new database as like this database name is import test, and here selecting any collaboration Unicode CI, then create. Has a blank database, but I need to import my database from here. So what should to do? First of all, we need to go to my database directory. This is my localhost XAMPP installation site. Then go to MySQL, then go to bin. Then here CMD, type CMD, then enter. First of all, you need to know your database name, root ID and password. I have know that my SQL user for username, root, A is for host equal to, A is for host equal to localhost, then port. This is I have used a custom port, that's 33067. So I need to ensure my port number PORT equal to 33067. Now I am seated here as like this structure, MySQL U for user equal to root and P for password. That's not here putting the password because password should be end of the command. Then hyphen A is for localhost, host name equal to localhost, and hyphen port equal to this port. My custom port is 33067. This port, you should confirm that port number, and this is my database name as like this one, and here is smaller than sign. Then this is my database location as like here, this is my E directory, and then this is my database name what should import. this is my database name. Please note that you should put your importable database in same directory where located your hosting site. Then just hit enter to import all data to this database name. Just hit enter, then you should type your password, what your root user password. I am typing my password. Then after hit enter button, automatically just a moment this database will be fulfilled. As like I have click here, this database here is not any table or totally blank my database, but when I hit enter, then just waiting a moment and all data within table structure and everything already done. As you can see that only a few seconds, and here is my database is imported. 84 tables, what's longer, and 130.1 MIB data. Here is my database all table size. So you can import any size of database as like 1 GB, 2 GB, as or more than 100 GB, no problem. You can import any size of database by using this command line. So thanks for watching the video. I hope it has been informative for you. Please subscribe to support me. Thanks.